guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to sit down and do some art journaling. It's been a bit since I last created a spread. I think this is my last one, and this was a few weeks ago, I want to say. I've prepped some pages in here, but I've kind of lost my momentum with this journal because it's getting harder to create in here because this side is a lot higher than this side, and it's a hardcover, so I can't like smush it and even it out. So I don't know that I will continue in here. This might be the last journaling spread I do in here. So instead, I have pulled out this journal. And this journal is just a place where I clean my brush off. When I'm doing other spreads and I still have paint on the brush, I hate to waste it. So I come in here and I just very haphazardly wipe my brush off. I have one finished spread in here. This journal was leaning more towards like a minimalistic style, as minimalistic as I can get anyway. So yeah, I think I want to do something in here, and so if you want to join along, you can. I have this magazine page that I had ripped out to use in one of the art grimoire spreads, and I could not fit this image, but I really like it, so I want to use this somehow in here. And then I do have some of the backgrounds. I don't know that I will use these though, because I kind of already have backgrounds sort of halfway there. And then I have some paints, mostly pinks, some glitter, and I have these stabilos that I could use, and that's it. So yeah, let's jump right in. So first thing I'm gonna do is cut out this image, just so that I have a better idea of how it will fit on the page. And now we're just trying to find a place for it to fit. This is kind of good because it has the blue and the pink, and this has also that blue, pink, and white. This one, there's a no. This one, also no. This one could work. Kind of like this one too. Okay, so we are between 3. So let's just keep it here for now. Then I had all these extra images that I had printed, and so maybe I can incorporate this somehow. I kind of like her, and then it's like she's looking at this window and clouds, so let's fussy cut her out. I think this is cute because it's kind of got the heart behind there, and then she can like be staring at this. So let's go ahead and stick her down before I change my mind or second guess myself. Okay, and then this can be up here somewhere, kind of like that. I think that's all I want as far as images. Now we need to figure this out here. So the first thing I'm noticing is that her wings don't really have a lot of contrast on the other background, the one with the heart. So I think I'm going to take this pink stabilo and do that, and then maybe some white around her wing. And soften this edge up a little bit. And something here. I can actually outline all of her. And then around this, I can use some blue. And maybe she has some little yellow dots. Kind of come over this way too. And maybe bring some of this purple back into here. And the important thing about this stuff is like not to overthink too much about what you're doing, because then you kind of start second guessing yourself. So I'm going to take some of this and maybe border this. And you can kind of just let the excess roll down this way. And I feel like her wings should be iridescent. And then maybe sort of carve out this heart shape with some gold glitter. Okay, so that is it for our art journal piece. It was very quick. I had the background already done. As always, I will put down the actual full time it took me to create it, and I'm going to just wait till this dries and then I'll come back and show you the finished product. Okay, so here we go. We're all dry now. I really am happy with how it came out, and I hope you like it too. So I want to thank you so much for stopping by. I love you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.